This 2025 Holiday Rambler Invicta 36Y is a Class A RV. It is located in South Weber, Utah, 84405 and is offered for sale by General RV Center. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Holiday Rambler is 38 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 5, slide-out, and 100 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this Class A features bath and a half, bunk over cab, bunkhouse, outdoor entertainment, outdoor kitchen. This 2025 Holiday Rambler Invicta 36Y is built on a Ford F-53 chassis. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.